Hello, my name's Dominic Fonte, Cutler Real Estate. Thanks for tuning in today. I have a virtual walkthrough I'd like to have you take a look at since you can't be with me. Now, this property is an old, charming property, about 1,900 square feet, located at 1014 Whipple Avenue, Northwest, Canton, Ohio, 44708 on the GPS, which is considered Canton Township. It's a bungalow style from the outside. It's neat and tidy, has a nice front porch, a nice detached two-car garage, plenty of parking, and it's located right on Whipple, so it's really convenient to everything. So let me take you through the property, see what you think, okay? Okay, so I'm standing here in the living room and dining room, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So this is a barrel room ceiling. Check this out. So right here, see that huge mirror? So this is the front door. It's kind of like a stucco-y finish, but it's all plaster walls. It was built probably, I don't know, when they used to do craftsmanship. You don't see stuff like this today. It is a wood-burning fireplace with stone. Windows are vinyl replaced, easy tip in. This would be considered a formal dining room. Kitchen on the other side. Let me show you. So it has a wood look floor, but that's actually a vinyl. You can see the sheen. Okay. Now how about this? Back in the day when I'm cooking, I might have to do a little laundry and maybe iron some clothes. Now I know many of you probably turned that into a spice rack. So this is the kitchen, plenty of storage. And then years ago, this would have been a one-car garage, which is like a family room. And then there's stairwell going to the basement, then out to the back, and then to the two-car garage. Okay, so we're coming into the breezeway or the old garage, which is actually living space. And this is, I don't know if you could tell, but this is huge. Very cool, very unique. All right, so as we go back, we're gonna check out the first bedroom. So here you go, nice hardwood floors. Nice big closet, plaster walls, excellent shape. How about a doorbell like that, huh? Here's the bathroom. It has like a slight lavender tile, which I'm sure is older, but it's very cool. Cool vibe. So here's your bathroom. Got a shower tub combo. And then a small mosaic tile. Okay. See what's going out of here. This would take you upstairs, which we'll go to in a minute. Linen closet right here. Let's back up so you can see that. All right, and then some more hardwood. So you do have some hardwoods under some of these carpetings. How about that? It's in very nice shape. A little bit of personal touch would go a long way. Okay. So we're gonna take a look upstairs. All right, so I'm upstairs and we have these two spacious rooms that are open to one another. Plenty of knee wall storage, plenty of headroom. To give you an example, plenty of room. So you could technically make this like a bedroom and or office, or, you know, let's say it's two brothers, two sisters, you could have one on each side. So technically it's one large room up here, two bedrooms downstairs, and plenty of storage and built-ins, okay? Okay, so we're down in the basement. Take a look. This is all what you call is glazed tile, which is nice. You really don't have to paint it. Over here is a little fruit cellar. This is kind of neat. You don't see those much anymore. The windows are all glass block with vents, which is nice. You can open them up and get some fresh air. There's a bathroom down here. This is the old-fashioned bathroom. Check it out. Good old shower right there, boom. Some of you might not even remember those. Anyhow, there's two stairwells. There's one going into that little bonus space that used to be the old garage. It's family room. And then this is through the house that takes you up the traditional way, so you have two ways to go. The utilities are down here, which would be your electric box, washer, dryer. You have city utilities here. There's the city water straight ahead. Here's an older furnace, but they said don't replace it. It seems to be working just fine. Some of these older ones work like that. And then a water heater in the corner. It's kind of dark. Okay. So I'd like to say thank you for tuning in, and if you'd like to know more about this property, you could call me at 330-418-1535, or if you prefer, send me an email, dominic@dominicfonte.com. If you'd like to see my more than 325 five-star reviews, go to dominicfonte.com.